上来告诉我，第一次我还不懂呢，出现一个什么 D。All right, thank you. Let's go.
Wow.
Over there is a Sheraton. All right. Looks good, huh? Marriott is over there. Let's go. Marriott. Let's go. Go to Marriott. Marriott. 그 더进去吧，我进去。好，走。Sorry.
And could you just confirm your check-in and check-out date? What was it? I'm sorry. Not yet. The room's not ready, but we do have your status on here as early check-in.
这是我们房间啦。
那你等一会儿，请你，请你。
Okay. Hi, how are
Hey,
you?
good. How are you? Check in.
What's your last name?
Michael.
Perfect.
Thank you.
We don't have your room ready just yet, sir.
Okay.
I am going to go ahead and get you on our early check-in list. Do you have your photo ID with you?
Sure.
Perfect. Now we're keeping everything on the Amex on file.
Okay.
Perfect. All right. And did you have any bags you want us to store for you?
Yeah. We have a small luggage, so.
Okay. You can bring it here really quickly, and I'll go ahead and store this for you guys.
Okay.
And then through the Marriott Bonvoy app, we'll notify you through there when the room is ready for you.
Through the app.
Through the app. Yes.
Okay.
sir.
Okay. All right. Okay. Thank you.
Of course.
Go to the lounge. Lounge, no? Come. Yeah.
放心，不要，我开了门，你们不要站在我后面。
走。
爸。
啊，安登把臂吧。
无聊问我，他不给我
输了啥地方？输的是？输了到了。
输的没
呀。知道了 ，I know。收起来了。哎，偷了，你让偷了。All right, we're getting to the lounge of Marriott at Dallas downtown. Looks like there's nobody here. And we were told that the room is not ready at this point, but it's always good that they let us come to the lounge, have some refreshment. What do they have? Okay. No. Not for you. Coffee machine. Wow. See, everything in America is big. I remember that whenever we used to go to the Marriott in Asia, their coffee machine is like a half of the size. Wow, nice. What's that? Water? Okay. Tea? Ah, some snacks, chips. Let's see. Ah, orange juice. All kinds of juice. Nice. Oh, they have yoga. Hey, they have yoga.
？Yoga 是什么？Gummy bear，不晓得 gummy bear。
All right.
车，好漂亮。
TNT 的吧？
All right, let's go.
那我才防空啊。我听你讲，
10:33.
最后面的。
All right. Wow, we got a king size suite.
那么大，那么大。
啊，一张床我4个人睡啊？哦，睡觉。
All right, let's walk through, have a room tour. King size. Nice.
这很大，这很好。哇，房间好大。哇。
So this is another queen size sofa bed. They're gonna put out, I guess, to make a bed.
我的拖鞋呢？
这很大，
We have a desk here.
这很棒，这很好。
Doo-doo-doo. Doo-doo-doo.
软棉材质，
Doo-doo-doo.
哎呦，本身空调要用。
Doo-doo-doo.
软棉材质的床。
Let me check that. Yeah, everything's standard. You have soap bar. Okay.
放的地方呢？
They don't have any toothpaste,
我们这边
toothbrush.
放的地方
Nothing.
就是浪舌。
Oh, the shower room is very decent. See that? That's a big one.
Super super big。
Well, it's not super, but good enough.
很大。
Okay.
外面，它就高级床，还说我还行。
All right, we got a surprise from the hotel. They just sent us a basket of welcome gift, I guess. Well, to be honest, it's not bad. I like it. You know, there's honey here, olive, almond, I guess, but so different. And the bread is really good, surprisingly good. I didn't expect it. The food is like, delicious or whatever, but not bad. Thank you, Marriott.
Y'all good? All right. How you doing, sir?
I'm good. How about yourself?
Fantastic.